Today, my customer have requirements for the speed of inspecting workpieces, but their baggage are limited. Our engineers came up with the idea of using automatical combined with spacing measurement software for measurement. According to the drawings, we developed two programs to speed up the measurement. This is the first program, and this is the second program. Then let's start the measurement now. The measurement is completed and the report will be automatically exported. Here you can see the time we measured, which is approximately 4 seconds.